Begin by inserting the appropriate sized extractor into your bearing. Next, grab a handle with the threaded rod attached. So slide the pusher over it. Slide the bearing extractor adapter over it with the tapered edge facing away from the handle. Insert the tool through the bottom bracket. Next, you'll grab your receiver cup with the appropriate size sleeve. What you want to do is match up the inner diameter of the sleeve or cup with the outside diameter of the bearing. Slide your cups over the tool. Grab your other handle. Turn your handles until you feel the bearing pop out of the cup. With the bearing removed from the cup, remove the adapter from the extractor, and then remove the extractor from the bearing. Your bearings can be removed from your bottom bracket cups with the cups removed from the frame. Insert your extractor into a bearing. Add your tool. Add the appropriate sized cup with sleeves. Spin your handles on. Turn them until the bearing pops out of the cups.